Hey everybody, it's Glenn with ERD, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about a broad topic that ERD provides to our customers for 30 years now, which is board repair. So in front of me right here is a fairly large board. This is out of a Voltec piece of test equipment that tests transformers. And it's what we would call a mixed signal board. So that means it has a whole variety of different kind of parts on it. It has an RF section, which is under this. It has a digital section, which is kind of over here. And then an analog section, which is over here. And then it plugs into a backplane that goes into the rest of the system. So historically speaking, ERD was first built on just the ability to take any circuit board from any kind of equipment, figure it out, and repair it. So this is a good example of the type of work that we have done for 30 years and more for some of us. So it's all about experience and testing. So we have a wide array of technologies and equipment that allow us to be able to troubleshoot and repair this board. In this particular case, we own an entire system. So when we're done troubleshooting it, we can take it, plug it in, and verify it works. But of course, like anything else, it's just not that simple. So this board goes into a complex backplane, and it takes quite a bit of screws and unscrewing to get it out. So we have to work on the board, do what we need to do, change the parts that we need to change, and then put it all back together to test it. So therefore, what we have developed are a series of quick ways to go through this entire board, troubleshoot it, find the problems the first time so that we don't have to spend a lot of time taking the whole system apart back and forth. So this is the core bedrock of what we have done over the last 30 years is working on boards like this large size, small size, and they can be for anything. This is out of test equipment, what we've done for motor controls, PLCs, custom applications like machine tools, robots. It doesn't really matter what it's done because it still all works under the rules of physics, which is how we apply our testing strategy to figure out if it's working or not working. So once again, board repair, 30 years. So if you have one of these boards laying around and no one has any idea what to do with it, reach out to us because we certainly do. At ERD, we're repairing the world one board at a time.